This is my drawing of Nick Wilde from Zootopia, and today I'll guide you through each of the steps so that you could draw this yourself. So grab a pen or pencil and let's get started. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of a page and draw two circles for the eyes. Now I want to start with the one on the left from the very top, go all the way around towards the bottom, and back up towards the top. Let's leave a gap in between the eyes and draw that same size circle on the right. So start by lining up the top, come down towards the same height, and then back up. Now let's draw on the eyelid. From the left side of the left eye, bend this up and then in, line this up on the right, go out and then down. Now over on the top left side, we draw a half circle underneath the eyelid for a highlight. And I'll fill the bottom of the eyes in black. Now in between the eyes, we're going to add a fold. We're going to go up and then down. Let's move down, draw an oval for the nose. And then along the top of the nose, draw a smaller oval for a highlight. Let's fill the bottom of the nose in black. Now let's go back to the bottom of the nose. Draw a straight line coming down. And we want to curl the mouth starting with the left side. Coming down, pull that up towards the eye, go back to the center, coming down and up towards the right, and we'll add a bracket on the ends. Let's add that trim going around the mouth, starting from the left side of the nose. Start by going out and up towards the eye, curl this around the corner of the mouth. Now let's go back to the side. Draw the chin coming down, across, and then up. Let's go to the side of the cheeks. We're going to add that fur going up and then out. Add a point going up and then in. Let's add another point. Curling those down towards the side. Go up and then in. Now I want to blend this up towards the side of the ear. Starting on the left, going straight up. And I'll bend that in towards the top. Do the exact same thing on the right side. Now I want to bend this in and then down on top of the head. Let's connect the inside of the ears with a curve. Let's add that trim going around the eyes. From the inside left eye, I'm going to bend this in and then up toward the top. Let's curve this around the eye and then bend that back in. Let's add some thickness to the brow. From this point, step down, taper this out towards the side, and we'll fill the inside of the eyebrows in black. Let's trace the ears along the inside. From this point, step over, start with a curve going up towards the top, bend this out and then down towards the bottom. Now close off the bottom with a curve. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the collar. We start on the left side, add a V coming down and up. From the sides, angle the collar coming down and out. Angle this up and out underneath the head. Let's go back to this point. We're going to draw a straight line going across. Draw the knot of the tie coming down and in. Flatten that off. Let's go back up to the top of the knot, tuck the tie in underneath the collar. Let's go down to the bottom of the knot, angle this down toward the left and right side, and then angle this back in toward the center point. Let's add some stripes going across the collar, starting with the knot, just working our way down towards the bottom. Let's go back up to the top. We're going to curve the body, going out and then down toward the hip on the left and right side. Curve this down and then in towards the bottom of the shirt. Now we're going to angle this up and in underneath the tie. Over on the right side of the chest, draw the pocket with a straight line and then a half oval. Let's go back down. In between the shirt, we're going to add a curve, Leave a gap in the center, go to the left side. We're going to bend the leg going out and then back in towards the heels. And then you want to round out the bottom of the feet. Starting from the left heel, curve the foot coming down and up. And we'll curve the top of the foot going up and then bend that down towards the heel. Let's separate the toes with 2 curves on either side. Now we're going to go back up underneath the shirt on the left side, bend the leg going out, and curve that back in on top of the feet. Let's go all the way back up to the top and draw in the shirt sleeve. From the collar, bend this out and then down. And then curve the sleeve coming down in towards the side of the body. Now I want to tuck the arms in behind the body. From the corner of the sleeve, let's step in, bend the arm coming down and then in. Now we're going to layer the tail on the right side. Let's start from the hip, bend this around, up, and then out. And I'll taper this along the bottom of the tail. And then we'll sign out art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Nick Wilde from Zootopia. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. I want to thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.